All right, Dave, thank you. Undercover agents investigating public corruption in Jackson spent thousands of dollars on a local lobbyist in an effort to gain access to city officials. Now, 3 on your side uncovering that from court documents. Agents posing as out-of-state developers hired lobbying firm Cornerstone Government Affairs and lobbyist Elliot Flaggs. They wanted business meetings with public officials. These revelations coming more than a year after the 3 local leaders on your screen were indicted for their alleged roles in a bribery scheme to bring a convention center hotel to downtown Jackson. Now, Flaggs initially thought the agents were normal guys, but later expressed concern his reputation would be harmed from he and his company's involvement, according to the documents. Neither Cornerstone nor Flaggs have ever been publicly accused of wrongdoing. You can read more details about this portion of the Jackson bribery scheme on our website right now, WLBT.com. Just scan the QR code on your screen to go to this story on our website. You'll also find continuing coverage as we follow everything for you leading up to that July trial.